Hello guys, it's me again, Teacher Nel. Okay, so today we're going to multiply fractions again, no? Ayan, so padaliin naman natin ngayon kung paano mag-multiply ng fractions, okay? Pero bago natin ituloy yan, so let us have a short intro. Okay, so let us multiply fractions. Okay? So kung ayaw mo mag-lowest term, sabi nga nila, no, ang hirap kasi pag malalaking numbers na yung ilo-lowest term natin. Ano po? So gawin mo ito. Okay? So let us answer number 1. 1/3 times 3/4. Okay, so paano nga ba siya sasagutan? Okay, so usually, i-show ko yung process po kung paano mag-multiply. That is numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay? Then, I will show another method po. Okay? Then, afterwards, kayo na po mamimili kung ano po yung gagamitin po ninyo. Okay, let's try po the first method. So, that is 1/3 times 3/4. Okay? So that is simply 1 times 3 over 3 times 4. Okay, so 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Ayan. So in this case, no, let us divide both numerator po and denominator by 3, no po, which is their greatest common factor. Okay, so divide both by 3, so that is equal to 1/4. Okay, then I will show you po the next method na po. Yan. So that is using the cancellation. Okay, so 1/3 times 3/4. Okay, so that is 1 times 3 over 3 times 4. Okay? So, in this case po, hanapin lang natin kung ano yung pwede nating i-cancel. Okay po? So, isa po sa numerator, 1 in numerator and 1 po in the denominator. Okay? So, 1/3. So, okay na po yan. No? So, 1 sa 4, hindi na rin po pwede. So, we have 3 and 3. Ayan. So, yan po yung pwede nating i-cancel. Okay? So, 3 divided by 3 po is 1 and 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay? Then, wala na po. Then, let us proceed to multiplication. 1 times 1 po is equal to 1. Then, 1 times 4 po is equal to 4. So, as you can see na po, naka-lowest term na po yung kanyang final answer. Okay? So, you don't need po to lowest term. Okay, so if you want more examples po, let us try number 2. Yan, so 2/5 times 5 over 8 or 5/8. Okay, so I will do also the same process, the step 1 and the step 2. Yan. So medyo lumaki lang po yung numbers. Okay, so 2 times 5, 2 over 5 times 5 over 8. Okay, so let us do po the first process or the first method. So that is 2 times 5 over 5 times 8. Okay, so let us now multiply both numerators po. So 2 times 5 po is equal to 10. Then 5 times 8 po is equal to 40. Tama? So in this case po, let us get the lowest term na po. Yan. So, divide both po by 10. Okay, 10 divided by 10 is 1. Then, 40 divided by 10 po is 4. So, still 1/4, no? Yan. Okay, next. How about the next step po, which is cancellation. Okay, so let us again rewrite. So, we were 2/5 times 5/8. Okay, so let us multiply both numerators. So 2 times 5 over 5 times 8. Okay, so afterward po, let us do the cancellation, no? Anyway, pwede na po kayo mag-cancel dito, no? Kung master nyo na po to. Okay? Ganun naman po yung ginagawa ng iba. Okay, so let us do the cancellation. 2 sa 5, hindi na po pwede. And 2 sa 8, ayan. So, we can divide these two numbers na po, 2 and 8 po by 2, tama? Ayan, so that is their greatest common factor. 2 divided by 2 po is 1 and 8 divided by 2 po is 4. Okay, so let us have another one which is 5 and 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 po is 1 and 5 divided by 5 is also 1. So that will give you now 1 times 1 is 1 and 1 times 4 is 4. So still you got the same answer which is 1/4. Okay? Yan. Ang pinapakita lang po dito na paano po pag lumalaki na po yung mga numbers. Ayan. So, medyo madidelay po tayo dito sa paglo-lowest term. Okay? So, unlike dito po, no, pinapakita nyo na po agad sa inyo yung lowest term, yung final answer. Okay po? So, if that is clear to you na po, please let us try number 3. Okay? So, can you please write your answer po in our comment section. Ano po? So, if you think this video po is helpful to you na po, please paki-click naman po ang ating like button. Ano po? And please subscribe po for more videos. Okay? Thank you for watching.